Good afternoon. Today we're gonna be answering the question, what's the difference between theme and main idea in a text? Are those two things the same or are they different? So here we go. When we're talking about theme, we're talking about a lesson or a moral. What is the story trying to teach us? And how does it apply to our everyday lives? Main idea, on the other hand, is what the story is mainly about. You're gonna give details, descriptions about what happened in the story or what is happening in the story. Your example from story that we talked about, the main idea of that story is that the hare challenges a tortoise to a race. The hare gets distracted along the way by various things, and at the end he ends up losing to the tortoise because the tortoise just kept going in a consistent pace. He never stopped, he just kept going and going. And that's different from the theme of the story, because what the story is trying to teach us is that the winner is going to be the one who keeps going, does not get distracted, does not do whatever they want, right? And they do not give up. We can apply that lesson that we learned, or theme. It's general. We're not talking about a specific character. No mention of the tortoise or hare. And it gives us a very clear message about life. We can take what we've learned from the story about the tortoise and the hare, and we can learn that we have to keep going. Theme is a complete sentence. It's a complete thought and idea. It's not just one word. When we're talking about universal themes, that's when we're talking about one word that can really be used to describe even more generally than our theme sentence. The universal theme is a big idea. So we can use clues from the theme, like the words keep going and does not give up. We can kind of sum that up in one word: perseverance. That will be our universal theme. It's a little bit different because it's only going to be one word or a phrase, a very short phrase. And it does not really teach us a lesson or give us an idea. So questions that you need to think about while you're reading in order to help you to determine what the theme of a story is. What are the conflicts in the story? Who is fighting and why? How does the main character react to these conflicts? How does the main character change as a result of these conflicts and their choices? What does the main character learn? And if the author or the main character can give you advice, what would he or she say to you